This video I am making for those students who are either from foreign countries or even those Indian students who are going to get their MBBS degree from foreign universities. If they want to complete their post graduation degree from Indian university, they have to cross through a foreign medical graduate examinations, that is a screening test, and against that a certificate is issued by NBE, National Board of Examinations. During the time of conduction of NEET PG 2021, because they also have to cross through NEET PG 2021 if they want to take admission over here. A provisional registration, in fact, that is required, and a FMGE, I mean, Foreign Medical Graduate Examination pass certificate issued by NBE, they have to bring when they are going to appear for NEET PG 2021 examination. Since I have noted some points, in fact, that I'm just want to make you I am conveying you, in fact. Since the year 2021, it is not mandatory for foreign nationals to be registered with MCI while writing NEET PG 2021. MCI will provide to them a temporary registration. Means permanent registration is not required. Temporary registration will be provided, provisional, to candidates after payment of registration fee. This eligibility criteria, NEET PG through provisional registration, is required, and this is given by MCI, Medical Council of India, and it is valid for doing postgraduate courses. This registration further is applicable and limited to the medical college and institutions in which candidate has taken admission for PG courses. जहाँ वो कर रहे हैं वो कोर्स PG एडमिशन के समय में, उस समय तक ये वैलिड रहेगा. Foreign nationals have to be registered with the competent body of their countries also. अपने कंट्री से भी वो एक तरह का सर्टिफिकेट उनको ले करके आना होगा कि दे आर इंटरेस्टेड टू टेक एडमिशन हियर इन इंडिया. So registered with the competent authority of their countries also, and certificates of which they must produce to get registered to MCI. तो ये जो इवन प्रोविजनल, इसका मतलब हुआ कि प्रोविजनल रजिस्ट्रेशन जो कि पढ़ने के दौरान के लिए ज़रूरी होता है यहाँ पे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करने के दौरान में, और वो जो कि वैलिड होता है उस कॉलेज से जहाँ से वो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं उस समय तक के लिए भी वो जो है सर्टिफिकेट अपने कंट्री से भी लेकर के आएंगे. तो ये आप ध्यान में रखें कि अगर आप इंडियन हैं और फिर भी आप वहाँ फॉरेन से ले रहे हैं डिग्री, फॉरेन के यूनिवर्सिटी से MBBS कर रहे हैं और यहाँ फिर वापस आकर के करना चाह रहे हैं, तो आपको इन सारे चीज़ों की आवश्यकता होगी. ये आप ध्यान में रखें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय. एंड इफ़ यू आर लाइकिंग माई वीडियो and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe it, share it and like it, so that others also must be benefited, and I can give you updated informations regularly. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you so much.